It is a quiet day out there across West Michigan. We can see here out over Ravenna, cloudy. A little bit of snow still out there, but a lot of this has been melting as our temperatures have started to climb up into the upper 30s and low 40s. This has also helped to melt a lot of the snowpack in general, which is leading to some foggy concerns out there. Visibility is not horrible right now, but we will start to see these drop, especially into the evening, where we could see even through the overnight visibilities as low as half a mile or less. So be careful driving, even though right now everything is all good. It's going to be a great evening to do anything that you need to do since it's very quiet. We just have a lot of cloud cover out there as per usual, and temperatures ranging from 34 to about 39. The systems that we have coming through this week are of warm origin. They're coming in from the southwest as opposed to those Canadian clippers coming from the north of the last couple weeks. So we're actually getting this influx of warm air, helping our temperatures to stay in the 30s and helping too as this moves through to bring us rain as opposed to snow. But with some temperatures that are going to be on the line between rain and snow, we could have some temperatures in the low 30s and even upper 20s tonight. And as the system rolls through, there could be a little bit of light wintry mix or freezing rain, especially for places like Newaygo County and Mecosta County, where we could have enough potential for a glaze of ice there that the National Weather Service did issue a winter weather advisory from 11 p.m. tonight through 1 p.m. tomorrow. The bulk of any kind of freezing rain would be early tomorrow morning, probably between around 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Not going to be a lot of ice, only about 1/10 of an inch tops, but some slick roads will be possible. The rest of us should be warm enough that everything should end up falling as all rain, with high temperatures across the board tomorrow ending up pretty close to 38 degrees, very similar to today. And we'll also have rounds of rain kind of here and there. So above average temperatures again, everything not really looking all that bad, minus the chance for a little bit of that light freezing rain north. This model keeps all of the rain right around 96 early in the morning, and then it kind of lifts to the north where it counters some of that colder air, and we could have a little bit of that mix going on. Most of us are likely just to see some light to moderate showers through the commute time, so you're probably going to need your windshield wipers, and then we'll continue to see the chance for showers through the afternoon. Although once this low pressure system moves away on the backside as we pull in that air from the northwest, it typically is drier, which means lesser chances of heavier showers, but there could still be a few light showers through the evening. Going into Wednesday itself should be a very quiet day. Not going to see a lot of cold air behind the system since it's coming up from the southwest. Rain totals south of 96 will be pretty minimal, less than 1/10 of an inch for most, and many overall will see around 1/4 to maybe 1/3 of an inch of rain, and that's going to be our first system of the week. Wednesday a quiet day, but Thursday a very warm day ahead of our next system. We'll be in the middle to upper 40s, starting to see that rain in the afternoon, so most of the day will be clear, but the rain will continue overnight and even into Friday as well.